Hi second graders, we're going to do another directed drawing to hang up in our classroom. This one is going to go along with Groundhog's Day since February is right around the corner. Groundhog's Day is celebrated in the United States and Canada on February 2nd each year. The groundhog is in Pennsylvania, and the reason they chose the groundhog is because he goes underground, he burrows underground and in the winter, so he doesn't come out until it's a little bit warmer. And if the legend has it, if the groundhog pops out and he sees his shadow, that means there will be 6 more weeks of winter. Oh! So we are hoping he does not see his shadow because I'm ready for warm winter or warm weather. I don't know about you. All right, second grade. So here is what we're going to do. We're going to draw our groundhog. You will need a white piece of paper and you're going to use the whole paper. So you'll want to fill the whole paper with your groundhog. If you want to go to the end of this video to see what the groundhog should look like, you can, and then come back to this so you know how big to make it on your paper. All right, second graders, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna draw a circle on your paper. I drew mine a little too big, so I made it smaller. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is you're gonna create the groundhog's ears. So towards the top of the circle, you're going to draw 2 half circles, like that. And then on the inside of the half circles, you're going to draw another half circle. There are his ears, or her ears for that matter. The next thing we're going to do is the mouth and the nose. So the first thing you're going to do in the middle of your big circle, you're going to draw a little circle. And below that little circle, you're going to draw 2 circular shapes, almost like ovals, connecting to the nose. Let me show you what that looks like. 1, 2. Now we're going to draw the groundhog's eyes. So you're going to kind of connect with the nose as well to make his eyes. You're going to draw 2 big ovals for the eyes connecting to the nose, like this. Whoops, not. Try again. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect. There are my 2 eyes. Now I need to create the pupils. So I'm going to draw arches within those big circles, like this. And there are my pupils. All right, he's looking a little crazy right now, so I need to add some teeth so that I know that it is a groundhog. Groundhogs have some teeth, big teeth, so I'm going to draw 1 big square. And in the middle, I'm going to cut it or dissect it to make 2 rectangulars, something we are learning in math right now in geometry, cutting apart shapes to make other shapes. Now we are going to draw some curved lines on each half of the mouth to create whiskers. So I'm going to do 3 on each side. 1, 2, 3. And then 3 more. 1, 2, 3. There's my head. All right, now I need to create the body. So from the head at the bottom of the page, I'm going to have to go to the bottom of the page. Okay. So at the bottom of the page, I'm going to draw 2 half circles for the paws. Now let's see if I can get this to work. I might have to pause so you can see. I might need to pause so I can get them on because this is in the way. Okay, so there are my paws. I need to add, I guess the toes for it. So I'm going to do that. I've already done it on this one by adding 2 lines. Okay, and now I'm going to draw the arms and the body. So connecting from the top, I'm gonna go down on one side and connect to the paws, go down on the other side to connect to the paw. Now I'm gonna create the arms for the groundhog. Starting again at the face, I'm going to come down, create a line that goes to the body, same over here on the other side to the body. And I'm gonna draw the hands or the front paws, because usually groundhogs are not standing like this. This is just a fun little drawing. I'm going to draw the paws by doing this, going around like that, and then adding a thumb. Same over here, going around like that, adding a thumb. Okay, so now my groundhog is complete, and I am going to take crayon and I'm going to color, or you will as well, his body brown. Oh, one last thing I forgot is his belly. So I just make a half circle like that, and then I can color him in with my brown. Now, obviously you're gonna do a better job. It's hard to color on the iPad. It's easier to color when you have crayons or markers.